Hi everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to deposit Dogecoin in this platform. This is we call DogeBoost.pro, and this is the total from my mining. Yes, and this is my mining. This is my investment. Yeah, I invest 312. And so how to deposit? You click on deposit, then you will scroll down, you will see the address. You can scan QR code, or you can copy the address. So I copy the address, and then I go to my Binance to transfer the Dogecoins to this platform, and then I click on my Binance. Here I have 109 Dogecoin, and then I click on it, click on withdraw this Dogecoin, and you see the recipient address. I will Control V, I paste the address in here, and will transfer 109 Doge, and I click on the withdraw button. Then I click on continue. This is my security verification requirement. So I have two steps. First step is email, and another step is authentication apps. And then I click on email, and I will go to find the code that's sent to my email address. Now I have the code that's sent to my email address, and then I will paste in here. And I have one more authenticator app. I will click on it, and then I go to my app and paste the fixed code in here. And I click on complete, and let's check in the DogeBoost dashboard. And now it is not transferred from the Binance to this platform yet, and we have to wait about 5 minutes. And after we waiting about 5 minutes, so let's refresh and to see if it is yes. So now it is really from Binance wallet to DogeBoost platform. You see my investment is increased to 417 coin. Thank you for watching and have a good day.